Have you ever wondered how to stay healthy and avoid the flu year after year, season after season, without relying on expensive medications, countless doctor visits, or complex routines? If you're over 60 or 70, you already know how much harder it gets to bounce back from even the smallest cold. But what if I told you that for the past 28 years, I've managed to stay completely flu-free? Yes, you heard that right. Flu-free for 28 years? And no, it wasn't because I isolated myself or spent a fortune on supplements. My secret? A simple, 3-ingredient natural drink that I've made part of my daily routine. And today, I'm going to share this powerful yet easy recipe with you, because staying healthy shouldn't be complicated. So if you're ready to take control of your immune system naturally, improve your energy, and feel younger and stronger, this video is for you. As we age, our bodies go through many changes. Our immune systems become less efficient, which means we catch colds more easily, recover more slowly, and are at higher risk during flu season. For those of us in our 60s and 70s, even a minor infection can turn into a major health setback. But here's the good news. You can strengthen your immunity naturally and effectively. Doctors may prescribe medications, but those often come with side effects. And let's be honest, many seniors are already managing blood pressure, cholesterol, or arthritis with pills. We don't need more. That's why natural prevention is key. And that's where my 3-ingredient drink comes in. I wasn't always this healthy. In my early 30s and 40s, I used to catch a cold every winter, sometimes even twice. I'd feel miserable, blocked nose, sore throat, low energy, and the recovery? It took weeks, but one day, a dear friend of mine, a retired herbalist, told me something that changed my life. Your kitchen has more power to heal you than the pharmacy ever will. He shared a simple drink recipe that his grandmother used. Back in the village, I started drinking it daily, and that winter, for the first time, I didn't get sick. The next year, I stayed healthy again, and so it went, year after year. Now, 28 years later, I still drink it, and I haven't had the flu since. So what's in this magical drink? Just 3 things. 3 powerful, everyday ingredients that are probably already in your kitchen. Fresh ginger root, nature's anti-inflammatory and immune booster. Raw honey, a natural antimicrobial with soothing properties. Fresh lemon. Juice, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Let's break down how each one helps your body fight illness. Ginger fights inflammation, warms the body, and improves circulation. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat infections and boost immunity. Honey, especially raw and unprocessed, is packed with enzymes and antibacterial compounds. It soothes the throat and also helps kill viruses and bacteria. Lemon helps cleanse your system, supports liver function, and gives a powerful vitamin C punch, essential for white blood cell production. When combined, these 3 ingredients create a drink that strengthens your body's natural defenses, balances your digestion, and supports your lungs and throat. You don't need to be a chef. You don't need a blender. All you need is 1 thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of raw honey juice of half a lemon, 1 cup of warm water peel, and finely grate the ginger. You can also crush it slightly with a spoon. Add the ginger to warm, not boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add the lemon juice and stir in the honey. Drink slowly, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Note: avoid using boiling water, as it destroys the enzymes in honey and reduces the benefits of vitamin C in lemon.